Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look briefly on the gold market. As we said in today's video, on the euro currency situation stands the same across the board in all currencies because all markets expect the speech of the Donald Trump on the inauguration. So that's why hardly we will see any action prior to this event, before this event will come. As you can see, the only thing that we hope to get, maybe not right today, but maybe in the beginning of next week, is the trading down, the coming on the euphoria, hysteria around the Donald Trump inauguration. So because currently all markets overextended a bit, since most investors, those who do not have any position, stands aside, and we see that really poor trading volumes on the markets, so they do not hurry to take the positions even they have planned to do that. That we see in the euro currency retracement, for example, because it shows a bit more extended upward action, but the action is very choppy and it's really no really big progress in this action. The same we see on the gold market, this a bit overextended upward action, just demand for safe haven at some case. So before the Donald Trump inauguration, but when this event will happen, maybe even Donald Trump will say something on its financial program, something will give some hints on the possible changes in the governing of the economy and something of that sort. That probably could help market to return back to the normal price action, and this overextension to the upside so will finish, and that could lead to the drop of the market back to the significant support area, at least to the 1160, as we said yesterday. So that's what we approximately expect to get on the next week. Maybe it will almost start today. So on the daily gold market, as you can see, we have the same bullish engulfing pattern that we have talked about recently, and normal upward retracement. So when the market forms the engulfing pattern, it's normal action when it shows some minor retracement back in the body of this pattern. That was what we see right now. So until market will stay below the top of this pattern will be valid, and it really could become the trigger and pattern for downward retracement or downward action. Currently, we think that it could be a retracement, but later situation could change depending on what new inputs we will get on the perspective of the Donald Trump financial regulation, financial governing of the economy, or maybe from the Fed some new inputs on the assessment of the economy situation in the United States. But right now we think that should be at least deep retracement to 1160 area. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we approximately have the same picture as yesterday. So market has broken the channel, shows normal retracement back inside of the body of the engulfing that we have. So right now it stands at 618 retracement, 1209 area. And probably before the Donald Trump speech, hardly we will take any position here, guys. And still we need to get the breaking of the tendency that we have talked about yesterday. So as you can see, despite the breakout, market still keeps well at the tendency of the high lows and high tops. So that's why actually the breakout is the good sign, but it's not sufficient. So we need to get the real breaking of the tendency. This market starting to form lower lows and lower highs. That could tell us that probably retracement stands underway. But currently the situation will change until Donald Trump will start to speak. So that's why probably today it will be some kind of the observing day. So we will just watch and hear what new president of the United States will say, and we'll see what reaction market will give on this speech. And I hope that on the next week we will get some more clarity on the markets and it will be better to understand what's really is going on and in what direction market could continue the action. Just currently we need just to eliminate this a bit unnatural rally here. Also, guys, as we said, we will be watching for Jordan application in this thrust. It's interesting, by the way, what we have with the 3x3 moving average. So no close yet, so you can see market hasn't shown even first close below the 3x3. Maybe this will happen today. So let's keep watching and see what will happen on the inauguration speech.